Hi everybody, coffee with you, I always look forward to. There are so many amazing things happening in the world of real estate. Gone are the days where real estate was commercial, industrial and residential. The whole field of real estate is so vast, is so wide. There are so many new trends coming to the fore. It is just wonderful to see. And real estate is everywhere, and everywhere is real estate. It touches every single one of us every day of our lives. And we are seeing a new age of tenants. And as the world is going into, as we move into a hopefully soon post-pandemic era, the world will change forever. And the new tenants, the new age tenants are not going to be tenants, they are going to be customers, and they are already becoming customers. So landlords need to up the game. Gone are the days where a tenant is going to be attracted and we're going to get higher occupancy levels, or they're going to also in terms of sales. Gone are the days where having a gym and a swimming pool or whatever is going to be the be-all and end-all of everything. Tenants are going to demand more. As we see, we need to move neighbours into communities. And this will change how buildings are managed, how buildings are operated, and the offerings. And unless we get into a higher tech era with so many parts of the management and the maintenance solutions and the payment solutions, landlords will fall behind. So some of the things you could offer or you could consider, and what is beginning to happen, what we're seeing is shared services for cars, shared service for meeting rooms, booking-based spaces, amenities, events, digital concierge services, all the amenities, exclusive deals and offers with other companies and other types of businesses that is only brought to your building. Menus of services that tenants can build for themselves. This, landlords, we need to build a greater system for your tenants. And as the tenants need to feel they are part of a community, this is why they bought into a building and not a standalone, or bought into a development and not a standalone property, we need to up the ante. And in this post-pandemic era, a lot of people have felt how difficult it was living alone or being alone and away from communities, and they've got used to this idea. So people are more homebodied than ever before. And as we move into this hybrid of work, life, and living and working together in one space, this needs to be re-looked at by landlords, and it will create a whole new ecosystem of living. And landlords could consider working with a number of buildings in close proximity to be able to offer this high level of services that tenants, now customers, are going to demand. And this is the one way you will keep your occupancy levels up. Happy investing, happy owning.